In this video we will see concatenation of tables, means how to join columns side by side, how to attach columns side by side. Okay, here concatenation of tables means attaching the column of two data frames side by side. Attaching the columns of two data frames side by side is called concatenation of or union of the data frames. Here suppose look into the Excel file, this one and another Excel file. So there are two columns are there, player name and age, and sports person salary. Two columns are in another data frame. We have to combine these two columns side by side here. Okay, player name, age, and sports person salary side by side. Okay, so attaching the columns of two data frames side by side is called concatenation union of the data frames. How we attach the column two different data frames? By using concat function here. Okay, the function concat is used for concatenation. Concat is called by passing a list of data frames. You have to pass the data frames. If you want to perform concatenation of tables, you have to pass the two different data frames in the list format here. Okay, so we'll see the example. First we have to convert this Excel file into data frames, and we have to perform concatenation of those data frames. Okay, so this convert the Excel files then to two different data frames here. Here already I did this one, data frames here. Okay, execute it now. See, now we have to perform concatenation. Okay, how to perform concatenation? Simple. X is equal to pd dot using concat function. Okay, using concat function, and pass the data frames in a list format. df1 is equal to df1 comma df2 list format. Okay, list format we have to pass the data frames to perform concatenation, attaching side by side columns. Okay, columns attaching the side by side here. Print x, right? Execute now. See, observe here. Okay, this is a one data frame, another data frame, player name and age, sports person salary. Okay, columns attaching side by side, two different data frames, columns attaching side by side here. Columns, observe here, player name and age, sports person salary here. Okay, and their values. Okay, observe here. Okay, you are not performing join here, we are performing it, we are attaching the columns. Okay, we are attaching the columns of the two different data frames. Okay, here player name and age, sports person salary here. Okay, and if you want, okay, if you observe here, observe the index here 0 1 2 0 1 2. Okay, it's not in increasing order. Okay, if you want your index in increasing order, we have to write ignore underscore index equal to true here. Okay, another column, ignore underscore index is equal to true here. Okay, so that index will be in increasing order. Execute now. So execute now. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here columns are side by side. Okay, two different data frames, columns are side by side here, player name and age, sports person salary, but the rows are not side by side here. Okay, because here see Rohit Sharma 36 here, Virat Kohli 35, Hardik Pandya 30, and here Rohit Sharma 30, not side by side. I want rows also side by side. Okay, rows also side by side. Okay, for that you have to write here axis equal to 1. Another parameter is axis is equal to 1 for rows side by side here. Okay, axis is equal to 1. Right, now execute again. See, observe here, side by side, player name and age, sports person salary. Okay, side by side. For rows side by side we have to write axis equal to 1. Okay, so attaching the two different data frames is nothing but a concatenation of in pandas. See, observe here. Okay, okay, so that's about the concatenation of tables. So here we can add rows side by side by mentioning axis is equal to 1 attribute. Okay, this attribute represents that the rows should be added side by side depending upon the columns. Okay, that's about the concatenation, means attaching the columns of two data frames side by side. Okay, in next video we will see the where class. Okay, using where. Okay, next video.